Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with another interesting recipe. As Eid is within few days, thought of sharing you all delicious and flavorful mutton chops gravy. This gravy is prepared using the goat ribs, which enhances the taste, and also the flavor of the curry is enriched along with some Indian spices. Take a look at the ingredients. You need small onions 1 cup, then 2 tomatoes. Here I have taken 2 small tomatoes. You need to chop them. And then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then 2 teaspoons of cumin. 1.5 teaspoon of fennel. And then 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Then 1 teaspoon of pepper. 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Then you need some spices, that's stone flower 1 small piece, and then star anise 1 small piece. Then you need 4 cloves, 2 cardamom, and then 2 small inch of cinnamon stick. You need half kg of mutton chops. These are the goat ribs. These pieces are ideal to prepare this curry. Then you need 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and then half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then you need few coriander leaves and curry leaves, and then you need 1 bay leaf. Then 3/4 cup of grated coconut to prepare the coconut milk, and then you need sesame oil to prepare this curry. Now the first step is to dry roast some spices. Heat a pan, add in the fennel, then the cumin, peppercorns, then the cinnamon stick, and then the cardamom, then cloves, and then a small piece of star anise, then a small piece of stone flower. Roast them in low flame till they start to splutter. When you get the lovely aroma of the spices, switch off the flame and keep them aside, let them cool. Now we need to prepare the coconut milk. Add 3/4 cup of grated coconut along with 4 tablespoons of warm water to a mixie jar and blend till the coconut is ground well for a minute. Now you need to extract the coconut milk using a strainer. Squeeze out completely till you get only the coconut residue. Now put back the coconut shreds in the blender again along with half cup of warm water and blend it for a few minutes, and then strain the coconut milk in the same way as before. Now the coconut milk is ready. The next step is to grind the roasted ingredients. Then add along to it the poppy seeds and then the grated coconut. Grind it to a fine paste by adding some water. Next, heat a cooker. Add in 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Then add in the bay leaf. Add in the small onions that are chopped finely. Saute it well. Next, add in the ginger garlic paste. Saute that for a minute. Then add in the tomatoes. When the tomatoes are almost done, add in the mutton pieces and stir them well in a medium flame. Then add in the chili powder, coriander powder, and then the turmeric powder. Mix it well. Add in the grinded paste of the roasted ingredients and give it a good mix. Then add 1 cup of water. Add 1½ teaspoon of salt and stir it well. Now you need to cook the mutton for 5 to 7 whistles in medium flame. Now when the pressure is released, open the lid and check whether mutton pieces are cooked or not. Now switch on the flame and we need to add in the coconut milk. As this is diluted coconut milk, it won't curdle. If you're adding thick coconut milk, you need to add it at last after switching off the flame. Now give it a good mix and let it boil for 5 minutes. The coconut milk enhances the taste of the gravy, so do not skip it. Finally, add in the chopped coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Now transfer it to a serving bowl. This curry is the best combination with ghee rice, dosa, chapati and parota. Make sure you give a try to this recipe for this blessed Eid. Definitely you all will love it and would love to hear from you. See you all in another interesting recipe video. Thank you for watching.